Kambuni ya ndege ya KQ yaruguririe wendia wa tigiti cia thabari cia imwe kwa imwe kuuma Nairobi nginya New York Amerika. Thabari iria ikambiria tariki mirongo inyanya mweri wa ikumi mwaka uyu. Thabari ya mbere igitanywo kurihio shilingi ngiri kenda guthii na gucoka. Thabari no riu ihuthiraga mathaa 15 kuuma New York guka Nairobi na mathaa 14 kuuma Nairobi guthii New York imwe kwa imwe. Ari thabari iria riu inyihitie mathaa ma kurehe indo kuuma Amerika guka guku bururi-ini kuuma kiumia kimwe nginyagia thiku imwe tu.
This launch of this route to New York is a symbol of the comeback of Kenya Airways. And I think that's really what the message that I think from the board. Yes, it's a new route for us. You know, we are going to do something that we've been wanting to do in Kenya for many, many years. But this is really the symbol of our comeback as the pride of Africa.
Makiri ma kambuni mirongo cia Amerika nicio ciri na honge iria ihuthikaga gitaro-ini kia Africa guku Nairobi. Thabari ici ningi cigitanywo kuongerera wonjoria gatagati ka Amerika na Kenya undu muna gitaro kia Africa. Ona mieke ya mawira ya imwe kwa imwe ya kuongerereka kumana na thabari ici. Makiri ma agendi 95,000 kuma bururi wa Amerika nio mokire guku bururi-ini gatagati ka mwambiririo na mweri wa ikumi mwaka muthiru. Agendi aya magitanywo kuongerereka.
It's been planned for a long time, and a lot of people have made put a lot of effort into this. We've had a lot of interaction with the US authorities, the embassy and so on.
Bururi wa Kenya riwari wa gatano gitaro-ini kia Africa kugena thabari cia imwe kwa imwe na guo Nairobi ni ihuthikaga ni micii 40 ya Africa. Oni kuga uingi wa andu kuingira Nairobi no guo kuongereka gwa biashara. Mabũrũri ma Uganda na Rwanda ni mamwe ma maria mekugundika na njira nene thabari icio gitaro-ini giki kia Africa irathirwo kuona ati mutaratara wa visa ni uhanini na wa Kenya. Icera-ini ria President wa Amerika Donald Trump guku bururi-ini thabari ici ni umwe wa maria maciirirwo. Kiribotera Inoro TV ritwirwo kuni macharia wa Gacuru.